Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Mazzer mini with us in the shop. And it came in because after the customer, I believe, had cleaned out the chamber, at least took it apart, when he had put it back together, the grind setting was completely just out of whack. It was grinding, even at its finest setting, it was grinding really fine coffee, or really coarse coffee. And pretty much what happens is that sometimes there's a lot of like coffee gunk and stuff like that that gets under the springs and also on the threads of the grinder. So if you were to take it apart and put it back together, sometimes instead of the topper carrier being flat, it's at a slight angle, and that was causing the grind to just be completely out of whack. After taking it apart, deep cleaning the entire inside of the grind chamber, and then putting it back together, we are back to normal settings. I put it really fine just for demonstration purposes, but we are going to just grind a little bit of coffee real quick, so we're just going to click it once. I did put it really fine just for this test today. You probably want it definitely coarser than this. We'll just spread it out. As you can see, producing really fine coffee to where you can mold it around your fingers. I also deep cleaned the outside of the grinder. You can see I polished up the hopper, cleaned it up, cleaned up all the edges. There's a lot of coffee, just oils and stuff like that on it. I wanted to make sure that the grinder looks in really good condition. And yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for watching.